Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 42, Arithmetic Progression, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. If there are 2n plus 1 terms in an AP, then find the ratio of sum of the odd terms and the sum of the even terms. So there are 2n plus 1 terms in the arithmetic progression. AP means your target should be find A and CD, right? Common difference. Then ratio of what is required, sum of odd and sum of even. Okay. So 2n plus 1 terms, sum of odd upon sum of even is a question mark. Okay. Let's start. So Sn is what? What is the formula? N upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we want sum of odd first. So S odd equals to 2n plus 1, because there are 2n plus 1 terms. 2n plus 1 upon 2 into 2a into n is 2n plus 1 minus 1 into d. D is 2, right? Why 2? Because odd. Odd means what? 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So difference will be 2. What is A then? 1, 3 starts with 1. So A equals to 1. So it is 2n plus 1 upon 2 into 2a. A is 1. 2 into 1 plus, solve this, you get 4n, right? 2n, therefore solve this again. 2n plus 1 into, it becomes 1 plus 2n, means same thing. 2n plus 1, that is 2n plus 1 the whole square, means sum of odd is 2n plus 1 the whole square. Now even. Even is what? Same logic. S even, sum of even, it's not 7, it's S even. So 2n plus 1 upon 2 into 2 into A. A is what? 2, even. So first number will be even, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? So 2 plus remaining thing will be same, 2n plus 1. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.